Annual bonus 139,000. That's a salary of a PA. That's a law firm with matric. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we have a short and sweet video on attorneys. We're gonna have a look at two admitted attorneys, one candidate attorney and one PA, someone who works in a law firm. The first attorney that we are going to have a look at, she works for she's a corporate lawyer. Okay, that's what she is doing. I asked her about her marks and she said she was okay. She was okay with her marks. It's just that she was active. She was active at school. At varsity, she was one of those people that were active. So I was saying to her, yay, please share your grades with us. And she said, oh, I'm lucky and blessed. Crazy lucky story getting the articles because one of my final year electives in second semester was taught by principals from my firm. And they sort of scouted me because of what I said in the class. Okay, so a lesson is to engage your lecturers and teaching staff, guys, as they themselves were doing articles with the people who are now in these big firms. Okay, because of my bursary, I had to have 60 to 65% throughout the years. So she sends us two pay slips. One has just a normal salary with no bonus, and then the other one has a bonus. Okay, so let's start with the one with no bonus. Basic salary is 73,718. Gross earnings 73,718. Total deductions 20,631, and a net pay of 53,000. Now let's go to the one with the bonus. Basic salary 69,879. Annual bonus 139,000. Annual bonus 100, and it's roughly like 140k. Gross earnings for this month are 209,000 rands. Let's see how much is taking from her. 75,780. UIF contribution 177. Total deductions 75,958. And a net pay of 133,000 rands. Siyambongela, sisters. You know what? Siyambongela, Shem. It's not easy out there. Now let's look at a candidate attorney. Simbone candidate attorney Wututini. She is currently doing her articles. I'm not gonna say much about her company and how she got the job. You know, gross earnings 32,203. Then income tax 6,800. Gross deductions 7,646, and a net pay of 24,555. That's a candidate attorney, guys. Nina Nitin, my candidate attorneys are earning, these candidate attorneys are earning 3.5 and must have a car. It's so unfair, hey? It is so unfair when you think about it. Some firms, they expect you to have a car, but you'll be earning 3.8. What are they saying to us? You know, this one is so lucky, Shem. She is so lucky. A very big congratulations to her. I'm so delighted to see someone getting this much. And she even said some firms, if you are lucky, they can even give you like an allowance, a clothing allowance, so that you can look all smart for court days. Nice. Okay. Let's look at a PA, someone who's a personal assistant, but they work at a law firm. Hi Boni, PA salary. I work for a law firm. I have matric, dropped out years ago and only went back to school 2 years ago. Still a rate, no qualification yet, besides matric. Wow. Let's see how much she's getting, sisters, PA at a law firm. I hope it's good news. Cash component 47,659, medical aid 3.5, provident fund 1.7, disability, there's other benefits, monthly package 53,723. Guys, where is this person? Oh, she what to send a law firm. Total earnings 48,159. Total deductions 12,281. Net pay of 35,877. That's a salary of a PA at a law firm with matric. Yo, people with degrees, they don't even earn much. Guys, you can't compare the two. You can't compare the two. You know, if your mother was that mother, ogezayo, ogogo wakho uyathandaza, uma wakho uyageza ngeswasho. This is what happens, guys. When your parents, they are saying the right prayers, this is what happens. But when your parents are saying the right prayers, I'm shocked, guys. I'm sure you've never seen me this shocked. You've never seen me this shocked, Shem. And I haven't opened this payslip in a long time. I can't remember when she sent the email. So this is why I haven't opened this payslip. Let me see when this email, it was sent in December. It's not that far back. Please don't forget to like and share this video. If you like the video, it tells YouTube that the video has value. Okay, thank you so much for sharing. We've grown. This channel is about 35k subscribers now. I see your shares, your likes. Thank you so much for the support. Okay, let's go to the second lawyer, admitted attorney. She works, okay, I'm a 30-year-old individual who holds a LLB and currently serve within a legal department of a corporate entity, appointed as a legal advisor. She served her articles between 2016 and 2017. So she says she transitioned from a law firm to a corporate sector. My expertise lies in corporate and commercial law. This shift marked a pivotal moment in my career as I derive immense satisfaction from my current role and have no intentions of returning to private practice. I have dedicated 5 years of honing my skills. See payslip attached. Happy days. We are happy for you, baby. We are happy for you, baby girl. Okay. Let's see how much she's earning. Basic salary 28,865. Car allowance 5,700. Housing allowance 3.4. Cell phone allowance 1.4. You guys, oh, it is petrol 900 rand. Cash component 10,000. For what? For what? Total earnings 50,400. Total deductions 16,000 and a net pay of 33,671. Lovely, lovely. This is nice. I love it. Car allowance 5.7. Love it. She's contributing 6.4 towards a pension. Good. You know, guys, I don't know how you feel about it, but please don't forget to like and share this video with someone that might need it. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. We are still busy with payslips the whole of March. We need to catch up with payslips. Our interviews are coming back in April. Get ready to be blown away. See you on the next one. Bye.